Pretty hot topic around the refinish department, matte finishes. There is no, outside the booth, there is no way of being able to denib, sand, and polish any intrusion with that paint process. What do you guys do to make sure that that's a perfection when it comes out of the paint booth?
So Gary, none of us like to use the P word because there's not a whole lot of good that comes out of that. But seriously, when we're doing matte finishes, we take a completely separate approach than we would a conventional repair. So, I mean, from a cleanliness aspect, everything inside the booth is cleaned prior to the refinish. Now, I'll say above and beyond stack guns and tack rags, and I don't know about you, but we actually use a special blend of carpet in our booths. It's found it works for us, right? I know all booths are different, but we found that it works. One of the key critical things that I see is the placement. So let's assume you have some parts that you're painting off the vehicle. We would try that first to paint the parts off the vehicle, but we would actually tilt at, whether it's at a reverse angle or possibly even upside down, as odd as that may sound, to try and limit the amount of intrusion. Because to your point, there's zero way to get that out. The only way to get that out is to sand it down, start all over, right? Absolutely. But one of the key things that I think is painter isolation. The painter stays in the booth at that time. When we perform that type of a repair, so a matte finish, we generally like to do it before hours or after hours, or minimally the last vehicle of the cycle day, to make sure that we give it every opportunity for the cleanest possible repair, because we're paid to do this once, right? Not paid to do it twice.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.